Optimizing your B-mode image. To adjust the depth, tap up or down arrow on the right side of screen. You can also adjust depth by pressing physical buttons on the control panel where it says depth. To adjust the overall gain, you can slide the bar at the bottom of touchscreen or rotate this knob on the control panel. To optimize your image automatically, press Auto button on the right side of the control panel, which is in the center of Gain knob. Or you can tap Auto at the bottom of the screen. This will automatically adjust the gain to achieve a better image. To adjust the frequency, access the menu on the right side of the touchscreen. You will see options for HRES resolution, general, and penetration. H stands for harmonic. You can turn off harmonic on the next page of the menu. Find THI and tap the off button. You will see the option changed when you return to frequency. To adjust TGC, you can tap on this icon in the right upper corner of screen and slide the bar of either the near field or far field image. If you want to reset your image, simply tap this reset icon. To adjust the gray maps, swipe to find gray map in the menu, and you will see 10 options. The gray map will display your B-mode image in different shades of gray. To adjust the speckle suppression imaging, tap SSI here. There will be 4 options of it, which shows different noise reduction effects in B mode. To adjust the dynamic range, find the icon and tap the side arrow to decrease or increase the dynamic range. With higher dynamic range, you can get more image detail, and with lower dynamic range, the image contrast will be better. You can choose a proper dynamic range as needed. To adjust the spatial compounding imaging, you can find the icon in the menu and choose to turn it on or off. With this SCI on, the tissue's boundaries will show more contrast resolution. Last is the remote control probe. Clivia supports 2 remote probes, L15-4MB-H and C6-1B-H. You can adjust the gain by long pressing these 2 buttons on this side, and adjust the depth by short pressing them. You can also freeze the image by short pressing the button on the other side. In fact, the function of these 3 buttons can be customized before you receive the system, including turning on color or PW mode, recording, etc. The only thing you need to do is contact our service team for customization.